Welcome to Portuguese for Nomads, Episode 12. I'm Sofia Mendez with Tiago Silva. Today, you'll learn useful Portuguese for apartment viewings, how to ask about utilities, furniture, noise, and politely negotiate rent, while improving your habits and connections as a nomad in Portugal and Brazil. Let's get started. Picture this. You arrive at a flat in Lisbon or Rio. Your phone battery is low, the agent is smiling, and you suddenly freeze because you can't remember how to ask whether utilities are included. Your new daily routine, where you cook, where you sleep, whether you can host language exchanges, depends on that answer. That little moment decides comfort, budget, and how fast you make local friends.
Today, we'll give you 7 simple lines to carry you from greeting to signing a lease. You'll hear each phrase, a slow pronunciation, the English translation, and quick variations for Portugal and Brazil. Then, we'll role-play a real viewing, show how these phrases tie to daily habits and small income opportunities, and finish with a 7-day practice plan you can start tonight. Ready? Let's go.
Section 1. The 7 essential phrases. I'll say each line naturally, then Tiago will repeat it slowly with a pronunciation break, and we'll give the translation and when to use it. Bom dia.
Bom dia. Good morning. Use this when you meet the landlord or agent. A friendly start sets tone and opens doors, literally.
Phrase 2. Where is the apartment? Onde fica o apartment?
Onde fica o apartamento? Translation, where is the apartment? Use this if you're meeting the agent outside a building or want to double-check directions inside a complex.
Phrase 3. The crucial utilities question. As the contas estão incluídas?
As contests estão incluidos. Translation, are the bills included? This tells you if electricity, water, and internet are covered, massive for your budget. If they say yes, confirm which bills specifically.
Phrase 4. Ask about furniture. Are the móveis included?
Slow. Os móveis estão incluídos? Is the furniture included? If it's unfurnished, you'll need to plan shopping, delivery, and where to place your morning energy zone. Your daily routine depends on that setup.
Phrase 5. Lease length and move-in. Qual é a duração do contrato?
Slow. Qual é a duração do contrato? Translation, what is the contract length? Use this to plan your routines. Will you commit to a 6-month cycle, bring furniture, or search again soon? Also ask, quando posso mudar-me? When can I move in?
Há muito ruído à noite.
Há muito ruído à night? This protects sleep and energy, critical for anti-aging and staying productive as a nomad. Follow up with, como é a vizinhança? How is the neighborhood?
Seria possível baixar pouco a renda, considerando que o aquecedor precisa de arranjo?
Seria possible to lower the rent a little, considering the heater needs repair?
Section 2. Pronunciation drill and quick variations. We'll repeat each key phrase slowly, then give 2 safe alternatives, one more common in Portugal, one common in Brazil.
We'll do the utilities line again. As contas estão incluídas. Slow. As contas estão incluídas. Variation Portugal, you can also say, as despesas estão incluídas. Variation Brazil, as contas estão incluídas. Both work, just note despesas is common in Portugal for shared expenses.
For furniture, os móveis estão incluídos? Slow. Os móveis estão incluídos? Portugal variation. Vem mobilado. Brazil variation, vem mobiliado. Both mean, is it furnished, and are very natural.
A safe follow-up to keep conversation natural. Posso ver a cozinha? Can I see the kitchen? Slow. Posso ver a cozinha. This shows you're serious and helps you spot where to set your morning zone, the place you keep a kettle, your protein shake, or your small workout corner.
Section 3. Role play. I'll be the renter. Tiago, you're the landlord. Imagine we're inside a bright one-bedroom. I knock. You open the door.
Bom dia. Seja bem-vinda. Pode entrar.
Good morning. Obrigada. O apartamento está disponível?
Sim, está disponível. As contas estão incluídas? Yes, it is available. Are the bills included?
As the bills included?
Not all, only water. Electricity is separate. If you want, we can adjust the price because the heater needs a small repair.
Seria possível baixar pouco a renda, considerando que o aquecedor precisa de arranjo? Would it be possible to lower the rent a little, considering the heater needs repair?
We can reduce €50 per month until the problem is solved.
Perfect. Now a neighbor steps in saying hello, a chance to meet locals. Olá, eu sou a Ana, moro ao lado. Hi, I'm Ana, I live next door. Smile, introduce yourself briefly. Oi, eu sou a Sofia, muito prazer. Hi, I'm Sofia, nice to meet you. These micro-connections are where friendships and small gigs start. Immediate practice step, a 7-day challenge. Day 1, record yourself saying the 7 lines slowly. Day 2-3, say them in front of a mirror with gestures. Day 4, use them in a short voice note to a friend or in our course forum. Day 5, role-play a full viewing with a study partner. Day 6, negotiate a small ask on a real listing. Day 7, introduce yourself to a neighbor or local and use the greeting. Small daily reps build real confidence.
CTA, grab the apartment conversation cheat sheet at our course page. It's a downloadable PDF with exact phrases, regional variants, and quick follow-ups you can copy-paste into your notes. If you want guided practice, join our mini course where we give daily prompts, audio examples, and live role-play sessions so you can lock in your next apartment faster. Learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, connect deeper.
That's it for today. Practice these phrases and habits this week. Remember, learn Portuguese, optimize yourself, and connect deeper.